Today I have stepped out after a very long time. I have been completely immersed in shooting both of these films and completing them, because we've announced the release date of both these films and we're working round the clock so that we don't miss that release date. Both films, and especially Bajirao Mastani, has been extremely demanding. I think some of you have been on the set as well. It's a film that's been very demanding physically, mentally and emotionally. So much so that I've been completely cut off from every aspect of everything else to do with my life. Today is the first time that I've stepped out after a very long time. That's why I think when the flashbulbs went off, it took me a while, because it hasn't happened in a while. Ranbir is a huge star, we all know that. Everyone has their ups and downs through their careers. I don't think I'm anyone to comment on what he's been through. Having said that, I think Tamasha is a very special film for all of us. We've all worked with each other individually in a different capacity. Like I've done Love Aajkal with Imtiaz. Both of them have done Rockstar together. Ranbir and me have done Bachna Hai Hasino. We've done Ye Jawani together. So I think we've all worked, and in spite of that, we are all very good friends, all three of us. And it was always a dream for me to work with this team, you know, Ranbir and Imtiaz, and basically to be directed by Imtiaz, and that Ranbir and me work with each other. And that happened finally. And it's been a very special journey. It is a very special film. And, you know, if it does well, I think we'll all be equally responsible. And if not, I think we'll all be equally responsible. I'll have to check with my dad, because everything that I earn, I give it to him, and I trust him, and I trust that he'll do a good job of it.
Maybe
a round of applause, guys. Come on. Okay, for like this entire, yeah, no, like from where he started, from banking to like Tamasha, it's amazing. No pocket money, and if at all, when I came out of school, you know, if I wanted like peanuts or something, or like a raw mango or something like that, then when my dad would come to pick me up, he'd give me 2 rupees or something, and I could buy like one small something. Like I said earlier, I don't consider myself very tech savvy. But I'm getting there, you know. I think like a little bit. I am a little bit resistant towards technology, but I realize that you also have to move with the times. Like, I don't consider myself fashion forward or whatever in that sense. I think I've always believed that I have professionals who do that job for me, and they do it very well. Terrible at math, so number crunching is not my thing.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/BiscutTV.